Today, House Democrats expected to make a big decision on the next steps in the impeachment process.
There's just one thing left to do before the impeachment articles can be sent to the Senate. Mandy Knoll joins us in studio to talk about what's happening today. Mandy, good morning.
House Speaker Nancy Pelosi has been holding on to the articles for nearly a month, but it looks like she's finally ready to move on. Today, she meets with her caucus to decide when to vote on House impeachment managers. That vote could happen today or tomorrow. After the impeachment managers are named, the House can formally send the articles to the Republican-controlled Senate. Then the trial will start after some procedural steps. No word on who's in the running for impeachment manager. Even some Democratic lawmakers who are hoping for the role don't know if they'll be considered. Democrats are still waiting to find out if the trial will include witness testimony. Pelosi says Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell will be part of a cover-up if he doesn't allow it.
He will be accountable to the American people for that. Over 70% of the American people think that the president should have those witnesses testify.
President Trump has expressed his support for a complete dismissal, but Republicans don't have the votes to dismiss the articles. And we don't know when the trial will actually start or how long it will last. Of course, Chief Justice John Roberts will preside over the trial, but he will not have the final say. Senators will act as both jurors and judges to decide what the evidence will be, as well as who we will hear from. Back to you guys.